This bird's not clipped. She can fly. She chooses to be with me, climbing up my arm. She's a good bird. She's a very good bird. She could totally start flying if she wanted to, but she doesn't want to. She's not clipped. She has pretty little blue feathers at the end of her wing feathers. She's a pretty little pineapple green cheek conure. This is my baby. I love her so much. She wants pets. She's bowing for pets. She's a pretty little girl. She's a proven female. I would like to get her a male. She had one, but he flew away. Anyway, she's trying to pick my hairs off. She wants pets. Right now. She's saying right now. Give me pets. You little spoiled girl. She was telling me with her body language that she wanted pets. And now she's gonna continue to fake sleep when I can tell she's fake sleeping, because a person or an animal that's actually sleeping does not move around as much as she does. And while she's fake sleeping, if I move just a little bit, she will bite me really hard. Like, I'm sleeping. And I'm like, you're so not sleeping. You are moving too much to be actually sleeping. The thing is, she just doesn't want to be moved. She will curl up in a little spot and just not want to be moved. Even if I have to go outside, put her back in her cage, she does not want to be moved. And she gets plenty of time out of her cage. Look at that pretty girl. Oh, the scritches. She loves it.